Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is a video to educate everyone. Don't forget that warnings like this do not mean you're infected. This is a scam. Don't forget that actually Microsoft never calls you at home. You know, I'm making this video again, and because some people say, well, you already did this. Yeah, but I did this because it seems that the situation is getting worse according to a study today. And the only way that you can reverse, and we can reverse all of this and have a safer internet and, avoid people being scammed, is to let them know. So don't forget, when you go on the internet, some websites, especially websites that technically often have content that is illegal, or it could happen sometimes on more obscure websites also. If you get anything like this, warning, system detected viruses, or a fake scan, or never call the number on the screen. You're not infected 99% of the time. Shut down your PC and restart, and it will be okay. This is something that happens regularly, and they try to have you call tech support, and they often say it's Microsoft tech support, but it's not. It's not. It's fake tech support. So do not ever call a number on your screen like this. Second, if you get a call at home from somebody that says, hey, your computer's sending error messages on the web, please, you need to, we need to help you. We're Microsoft. And of course, they will try to charge you an amount after they do tons of things. Do not, just hang up. Just hang up. And, this is ongoing right now. Microsoft never calls you at home. Never, never, never calls you at home. They don't really know who you are. They don't, yes, they might get error messages. They'll never call you for that. They're never going to do that. Never, 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 go through any of these calls, and do not call a number that appears on your screen. Very simple. If you have friends and family, educate them. Let them know this is something that's going on and that it's really a scam. Let them know that they don't never call a number in the screen. They never should answer to a call from somebody pretending to be Microsoft support. This is all fake. So the best way to help out here is to educate everybody. Educate them. Let them know that it actually is happening, so that everybody stays safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.